Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very important. I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why Forex traders lose money. Listen, I know you've lost money trading Forex. So this video, I'm going to be teaching you or talking about 3 reasons why a lot of you lose money. So yeah, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get into this. Before we begin this video is sponsored by ThorFX. ThorFX is a Forex broker that allows you to deposit a minimum of $10. They offer a leverage of 1 to 500 and they allow you to trade 145 plus assets. They have lightning fast deposits and they allow you to deposit via credit and debit card or crypto. And they offer funded accounts. Yes, they allow you to trade their capital and you get 80% profit share. They have 25k accounts, 50k accounts, 100k accounts, and 200k accounts. So all you have to do to get started is click the link below in the description and make a demo account and try their platform out and deposit once you're ready. So yeah, click the link below and check out ThorFX. So reason number 3 as to why Forex traders lose money is that they buy high and sell low. As a trader, your main aim is to buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. That's how you make profit. That's how you make your money, right? And so when you're buying high and you're selling low, you're losing money, right? There's no money to be made. You're losing money. You're giving money away. So as a trader, you should be looking, you should be looking for setups that, allow you to buy low and sell high. A lot of you buy or sell without thinking about, hey, am I buying it at a good price or am I buying it when it's too expensive? So before you place a trade, whether it's a buy or a sell, think about whether it's too expensive or whether you have to wait, because it's all about timing. You could have the right setup in mind, but you could, enter the setup at the wrong time. So it's all about timing. Buy low and sell high. So yeah, I see that mistake with a lot of new traders and even experienced traders. They don't think about whether they can wait for that setup maybe to get more towards the downside before they buy. They just buy it, right? It's impatience. You have to wait for a setup to form to get that good price. Once you get that good price, then you can buy. I mean, you're a businessman. It's like you selling Coke, right? You want to buy it. For me to make profit from selling a can of Coke, I have to buy it for, let's say I want to sell it for $1, right? I have to buy it for 30 cents and then sell it for $1. But imagine buying this Coke, right, for $1 and selling it for 50 cents. That's what a lot of you guys do. You buy something and you sell it for less than you bought it. And that's how you end up losing a lot of money. So buy low, sell high. That's the aim. So reason number 2 as to why Forex traders lose a lot of money. They spend too much time on the computer, right? Or they have too much available time. Listen, when I started trading, I was 16, right? I was on the computer from 9 a.m. to about 5 or 6, even later on during the day, right? The problem was I was losing money because I had too much time available to trade. When you spend too much time, trading, then let's say you take a trade, you win. Now, instead of closing the laptop or the computer and, going about your day, you end up sticking around, looking for setups that you shouldn't look for, and then you end up in another trade and you lose money, right? You lose that trade. And then what happens? You try to make it back. Then you're spending the whole day trying to get back to the position you were in the morning, right? And so you want to be, you want to have a schedule. Don't be on the computer for 9 hours, 10 hours, because there's this misconception that the longer or the more hours you spend on the computer as a trader, the more money you make. That's incorrect, okay? the time that you spend on the charts does not equal to how much money you make. That's why I get a lot of questions sometimes where people ask me, do Forex traders even have a social life? They just spend time on the computer all day, and that's wrong. If you're on the computer all day trading, then there's something wrong with the way you're trading, right? You should, I would say maybe 2 hours at the very most a day is important. That's it. Once you pass that 2 hour mark, you're wasting time, in my opinion, right? So how that would work is you would spend the first half of the day analyzing, the second half of the day, placing the trades if there's trades to take, right? So it would be like half an hour to 1 hour of analyzing, and then the rest will be trading and managing that trade. That's it. 2 hours a day, maybe even less, right? Right now I trade and I spend time maybe an hour a day now, right? Before I was spending 9-10 hours a day, now I'm only on the charts for 1 hour a day. So having too much time to spare will be your downfall as a trader. I promise you. Spend less time, do what you have to do with the little time that you have, right? And you'll be more profitable than someone that's always on the computer with 5 screens, right? And all of that. So yeah, spend less time on the charts. So last but not least, reason number one that a lot of Forex traders lose money is risk management. I know you've heard this a lot, but I promise you it's the one thing that's causing a lot of traders to lose money. They don't have a concept of protecting their capital. It's just that they want to enter trades and not face any consequence. The consequence to you not having risk management is that you will blow your account. So now what you have to do is learn how to protect your money. You can't enter every trade with the mentality that you're going to double or triple your account. That's not how trading works. And if that's the mindset you're coming with, please don't trade, right? So you might be asking me, what's the recommended percentage risk for every trade? Well, first of all, I'm going to say I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice, but I personally use 1 to 2% risk per trade. That means, for example, if you have $100 in your account, you would only risk between $1 and $2 for every trade you take. That means that's the max risk for every trade. That doesn't mean you'll make $2 at the most. That means you'll stand to lose $2 for every trade that goes against you. So if you have $1,000, that's $10 to $20. If you have $10,000, that's $100 to $200, and so on. Have risk management. If you have risk management and you have a bad strategy, you will still be more profitable than someone that has no risk management and the best strategy out there. Okay, so have a risk management rule, because I promise you, it's the number. I've done classes in London and in New York, right? And I've done multiple classes online. The number one reason why my students lose money is that they have no concept of downside. It's just, how much money will I make? They don't think about, what do I stand to lose? So with every trade you take, have that mindset of, okay, if this goes bad, which it definitely might go bad, right? How much money will I lose? Am I okay with that? Will that mess with my mindset? Will that change my lifestyle? So figure that out. And once you ask yourself those questions, have that number. Is it 1 to 2%, up to 3%, and so on, right? So yeah, it's the number one reason why Forex traders lose money. So yeah, there's a lot more reasons as to why Forex traders lose money. They have bad psychology, where they want to get rich too quick. They don't have the right strategy. They haven't back tested that strategy. There's so many reasons as to why Forex traders could lose money. And this is just 3 reasons why. If you want to see more reasons, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.